Welcome back to AutoZag channel. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 is here, and it's setting a new benchmark for entry-level sport bikes. With its sleek styling, refined performance, and unbeatable value, this bike continues to be the top choice for beginners and experienced riders alike. Kawasaki has refined every detail, making the Ninja 400 a bike that doesn't just look fast. It feels incredible on the road. From a design standpoint, the Ninja 400 carries the DNA of its larger Ninja siblings. The aggressive front fascia, sharp fairings, and aerodynamic profile give it a race-inspired aesthetic. Available in bold color options like metallic matte Graphenesteel gray and lime green/ebony, the bike is a true head-turner. At just 366 pounds, it's lightweight, nimble, and perfect for slicing through city traffic or leaning into winding roads. Powering the 2025 Ninja 400 is a reliable 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine producing 49 horsepower. This might sound modest, but paired with its lightweight frame, the Ninja 400 delivers a thrilling and responsive riding experience. Whether you're accelerating off the line or cruising at highway speeds, this bike offers smooth power delivery that's beginner-friendly yet exciting enough for seasoned riders. Handling is where the Ninja 400 truly shines. The trellis frame and high-performance suspension system provide excellent stability and cornering confidence. Its compact size and low seat height, 30.9 inches, make it approachable for riders of all sizes. Whether you're commuting or carving up twisty back roads, the Ninja 400 offers precise control that feels natural and effortless. The 2025 model also comes equipped with modern features that enhance both safety and convenience. A bright LCD instrument panel displays all your vital stats, while ABS is standard on all trims for improved stopping power. The ergonomic seating position ensures comfort on longer rides, making it versatile enough for daily commutes or weekend adventures. When it comes to pricing, Kawasaki has once again nailed the value proposition. The 2025 Ninja 400 starts at $5,699 for the base model and goes up to $6,199 for the ABS-equipped version. At this price point, the Ninja 400 offers an incredible blend of performance, style, and technology that's hard to beat in the entry-level sport bike category. In conclusion, the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 is more than just an entry-level bike. It's a gateway into the world of sport bike riding. With its striking design, impressive performance, and affordable price tag, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their riding journey or add a fun, versatile bike to their collection. If you're searching for a bike that combines value with thrilling performance, the Ninja 400 is undoubtedly one of the best options in 2025.